sorry, elderly house at Imatra. Pictures of a house. Nice.
Yeah.
Kone and Mansikkala.
Yeah.
Finally we got to film this.
Yeah.
Built in 1973, modernized in 1999, age 29900.
Nice serial.
Yep, 6-person survival. Pilgrims. This is nice elevator. 2 rides.
Yeah.
I've been better with novel inside.
Yeah.
But this is still good fun.
Yeah.
This will be also our last ride. This place should be removed this year, I guess. The new place has already been opened. It has.
But it's much smaller than this.
Yep, and that's practice.
Yeah.
Strange. What else is this? Ah, it's plastic. Eh. You can feel it with your fingernails.
Yeah. Very nice.
Nice scooters there. Nice light.
Yeah.
Not LED shit.
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Kone.
Holy crap. I just remembered my scooter's fucking there. And now I read this.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh shit. The doors are good small. I've always wanted to film this.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Was there a scammer?
Wow. Well, that was it. This was so nice.
Yeah. That's it.